Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of making money while you sleep using the power of artificial intelligence? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But guess what? You don't need a single dollar to start. Today, I'm going to show you how to launch a profitable AI business with zero investment. So if you're ready to tap into the future of AI and start earning online, keep watching till the end. The AI industry is booming, folks. Businesses are spending billions on AI automation, content creation, and customer service. But here's the best part. You don't need to create AI software yourself. You can leverage free AI tools to start your business today. Alright, let's dive into our first AI business idea, AI-powered content creation. Use free tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy.ai to generate blog posts, ad copies, and social media captions. You can start a freelance writing service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Offer businesses SEO-optimized AI-generated articles for their blogs. Pro tip: niche down. Focus on one type of content, like email marketing or product descriptions, to stand out. Next up, AI video editing and script writing. Use RunwayML, InVideo AI, or Pictory AI to create faceless YouTube videos. Offer AI-powered video editing services to influencers and brands. Use 11 Labs or Descript for AI-generated voiceovers and subtitles. Pro tip: combine AI-generated videos with trending niches like finance, self-improvement, or tech to go viral on YouTube and TikTok. Moving on, AI chatbots and automation services. Use ManyChat, ChatFuel, or Tidio to create AI-powered chatbots for businesses. Small businesses need automated customer support. Sell chatbot solutions. No coding needed, just drag and drop AI workflows. Pro tip: offer a free demo chatbot to businesses and upsell advanced features later. Lastly, AI-powered digital marketing. Use Okoya, Pretis.ai, or Canva AI for automated social media posts. Offer content scheduling and analytics services to small businesses. AI tools can create engaging posts, auto-generate hashtags, and even design graphics. Pro tip: find clients on LinkedIn or Facebook groups and offer a 7-day free trial. Now you have 4 AI business ideas that require zero investment. But the key is to take action. Start by picking one idea, test free AI tools, and launch your first project. Remember, the future of business is AI-powered, so don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Comment below which AI business idea you're going to start first. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies.